From the start, we've have an idea about how we wanted our business to be, kind of like the feeling of it, but we needed help with design. So Cywain have a kind of a bank of branding and designers, so we could choose which one and have a look and see which one was kind of fitted with our ethos. And it was in full-time employment, but we're growing quite quickly, and I managed to leave that in last June. So I'm fully employed in the business now. My sons are as well. One's just started last week and another one started last year. Well, I knew I wanted to grow, but actually how to grow is and I think that's the way it's been through all this journey with every aspect then, is how do I get to the next level? And this is where, you know, Cywain have been amazing. So I've had various mentoring meetings through Cywain, and they've just helped the business leaps some bounds. We were really struggling with our price point of our product, and we weren't making any money. You know, we hadn't got it quite right, and so I asked specifically for somebody to help do this, and then you managed to get a mentoring, and that helped us then. It was the real positive application we put in, really good one. Being at trade shows with Cywain, test trading, has been amazing, and it's really helped us with brand awareness and our confidence in our product as well, to actually talk about it with people, and we have got some leads from it. So from the farm, shop and deli test trading day, we've got I think 3 or 4 shops in England, one in Rugby and Doncaster and Godalming. So they wanted various, and they were very impressed, and yeah, we've got good reviews. Well, we're working with Food Centre Wales, and they're helping us to develop Penderyn Whisky Welsh Cake, and we're developing with the branding designer that I started off with, Cywain. He's helping me to develop a new packaging then that ties in with Penderyn's style then. And we've got a brand new product which we're really, really excited about. We're doing a Penderyn Welsh cake with a bit of honey and a bit of ginger, just to spice it up a bit. They're going down really, really well here, and people are loving them. And we're really, really proud and excited to launch it at the show. Because we are a very small business and quite new, but we are growing very quickly, things are taking too long, like the cooking's taken too long to do, the packaging is taken too long. We're having a company, AMRC, which we had a study tour in their premises, and that was really good and encouraging, that they could come out and give us a site visit, and from there they can kind of help give us a report of what they think would improve our efficiency and time management, really. The aspirations for this year with Blasus Welshcakes is to expand our production area, to be SALS accredited, which is very important, and to go to wholesalers and distributors. We really appreciate what Cywain have done up with this business so far, and it's so nice to have somebody for support and to lean on.